Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to check usage logs of Octoperf. So, what is usage logs? So, usage logs is the information where it will show who created the script, who modified the script, who executed the last test, and all details. So, it will show the all details. So, first we need to go to the project. Under the project, we need to select the workspace first. So, after coming into the workspace, you will have a project. Under the project, you have any details of usage logs. So if you click on usage logs, it will show you the details. So who created the scenario? So two scenarios was created. Two tests are executed. So first test is executed by user Taskincomplete and subscription details. You use the details. There's a region from which region he executed it, and there's a project, what project they have used, what is the scenario name, and the user details, who executed the test. And this is the region of AWS. And if you want to go to specific details, so you can go for the details, and it will show you all the information what the user has done in the last 24 hours. So last the selected date. So if you go to the projects, this is a project. So if I go to homepage or if I go to new script or if I delete or add it, so it should have come here. It should show in this here. So it will generally it is used to monitor the number of executions done and who executed the last test, from where they have executed, and what scenario they have executed. So those information will be logged here. So this is one of the feature given by the Octoperf to see if something goes wrong and if you want to know who had done that. So we can get this information by user logs of a project. So if you go to the project, select the project, you need to switch into the respective workspace, which workspace you need it. So after going to the project, or when you can state on the workspace itself, uh, when you click on the project icon, you will get an user logs. When you click on user logs, so there's no project here. So I'm taking no projects here. So I'm taking the first workspace, which we have project. So when you click on the usage logs, you'll get the logs here. So thanks for listening this.